What's good, everybody? What's good? Hope you guys are chilling. Welcome back to Pips Made Simple. Today's Sunday. We're just going to break down these three pairs I'm interested in the upcoming week. And the first pair is the pair I was interested in last week. And I told you guys I just need the weekly time frame to come and give me a rejection into this area of interest. And that's exactly what happened. You can see on the daily time frame, it kind of look choppy, but if you go on the 4 hour time frame, it's more clear. It's more so clear on the 4 hour time frame. You can see for a period of time we were shifting bullish, we were going up, and you can see this right here so was the last low, this right here so was the last high in the down, the downtrend. In the downtrend, this was the high. Let's show you guys. Let's get this was the high in the downtrend, and this was the same low. We'll break it with all of this is bullish move right here, so all of this bullish move will break it, causing this time frame to went bullish. So this the last high, this the last low. We came up, make a low higher than the previous low. So this is a lower high, a higher low, I should say. My apologies, guy. And this is the higher high, turning it officially bullish. Now what we see, guys, is a shift of structure, and this happened, all of this happened Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We can see this is the last high, this is the last low, I should say. My apologies, guys. And we break this last low with this previous low, causing this time frame, 4 hour time frame, to went bearish also back. When bearish back with the daily and the weekly time frame, and that is what I was actually looking for. I said to myself, said, if this blue candle pushes and did not give a rejection and it break this high, then I'm totally not interested in the trade. And we didn't do that. So my interest is still in this pair. We just don't want to see on Monday, because Monday we're going to be holiday. Donald Trump, the president of the United States of America, gonna be in office, and it's gonna be a bank holiday. It's not going to be a lot of volume, a lot of liquidity in the market to have those big push, these big push. So I'm just gonna be cautious and just play by ear. The next pair is Euro JPY. You can see on the weekly time frame we are bearish. On the daily time frame we are bearish also. And if you cannot identify that, I'll show you guys how to identify the how we are bullish or bearish in a trade. You can see this push was the last high, and we came back making the low higher than the previous low. This is a higher low. Now what we see after that, we didn't see a follow through with buyers breaking the previous high, that farm. So what happened is a complete reversal, and we break the previous low, not the high. Remember, when we are bullish, we keep on breaking highs and having lower and higher lows. We're breaking highs and having higher lows. So this low is higher than the previous low, and the high, it break the previous high. This low is higher than the previous high, and that's an official uptrend. If we're not creating highs or lows, we're not in a trend. And we break this level right here, so causing it to went bearish. So this high became the lower high, this low became the lower low, and we came after we break this level, this low became this low, this high, I should say. My apologies, guys. This high became this high, this low became this low. So we change from a uptrend to a downtrend to trajectory. So what we're just looking for is a retest of our area of interest, and you can see that I lined out my area of interest pretty nice. and we can see our EMA. And I don't use the EMA for like, and I just use it for added confluence. I never use it for say, okay, it's time to get in the trade or it's time to get out of the trade. I just use it for added confluence. You can see when the EMA is above price, it shoot it bullish, it use it as support. When it's below price, it use it as resistance. And that is exactly what I just look for in this. I just look for the EMA to use as an added confluence, and that's all. You can see now, guys, this structure right here, so is the last high, and this structure right here, so is the last low. What we need is a retest into this area of interest. Let me show you guys into this area of interest right here. So this is the area of interest we want price to come and give it a rejection to continue taking the trade to the downside. And you can see our take profit is strategically placed at this structure right here, so, and it's strategically the 27 extension, the 27 Fibonacci retracement level of the extension. The third pair now is USD CHF. You can see for a good period of time since May the 27th of last year, we have this bearish engulfing, shifting this time frame from bullish to bearish. And I was trading these cells from July all the way back to September, August. But market consistently change, and that is what we see happen right here. So look, you can see what right here is a form. This is called a bullish engulfing candlestick, guys. This is a bullish candlestick. This is one of my entry candlestick. I only look for a candlestick like this to enter a trade. If I don't have the bullish engulfing, I don't take the trade. Also, you can see we have this bullish engulfing again at this breakout ranging. You can see this price just ranging side by side right here. So guys, you can see price just ranging side by side until we get this breakout right here. So guys, look at this more practical. You can see candlestick just printing side by side. We have this fake out right here, so grabbing liquidity before we have this final push to the upside, shifting the structure bullish on the daily time frame as well, and on the 4-hour time frame as well. You can see, let's show you guys, shifting the 4-hour time frame as well. We get this breakout, we get this retest, we have bullish engulfing. I have to go down on the lower time frame like the 30 and the 15 minutes to show you the bullish engulfing that created right here. So but that is what I was just looking for on the next run right here. So guys, you can see obviously we are bullish on the time frame, that's a weekly time frame. If you go on the daily time frame, we are bullish. So what we're looking for is a simple retest and go on. And I think I will be entering this one also because I have my entry signal and I have it on the daily time frame. I'll show you guys in just a second. We need this. That's what we're looking for, and we get it also, guys. The same bullish engulfing I was telling you about. Here it is. Here is the entry signal. Bullish engulfing. Bullish engulfing. See? Remember, guys, this right here, so is the low. Let's clone. This right here is a high. I should say, my apologies, and let's clone this. And then where's the low? The low is the last point right here, so The low is the last point right here. So and then we push again, breaking the low, having it right here. So guys, and this high came. Where is this high? This high is nowhere here but right here. So that high is nowhere but right here. So guys, I see we have this bullish engulfing again, breaking structure. Then what we get is this retest of the structure back, guys, and then we finally having that push again off the structure. Now what we're gonna see happen either Monday, Tuesday is another retest of the structure and another push again. And I will be entering, if I get the right entry signal, I'll be entering somewhere around, wrong thing, my apologies, I'll be entering somewhere around here, so with my stops around these level right here. So and I target the weekly level, right? Let's show you guys. Let's fix this. Either I target the daily level, which will be, let's show you guys in just a second, which would be this level, these levels right here. So it will be these levels right there. So guys, these structure point right here. So that big a good 2.5. Let me adjust this, because the stop loss won't be necessarily like that. The stop loss would be around these levels right here. So giving it a good 3.53 risk to reward ratio. That's a good amount, and that is exactly what I'll be looking for. Depending on how this week goes, I will just continue hold it for next week, depending on how the week happened and how the week played out. Understand me, guys? So USD CHF bullish buys, Euro JPY bearish, we're looking for sells, and AUD CHF we're looking for sell, we're bearish. We already identified last week that we are bearish. All we need is a retest into the area of interest, and like I was telling you guys, the retest sometimes do not happen like a day. We break structure, we get the retest today, next day I should say, and then we get the play the day following that. Sometimes it don't happen that way. We can have like a week, I just retest 1 week straight every day would at the same point not moving. It can happen like that, and for just like, say for instance, hypothetically speaking, fresh week Monday, we want the retest for the structure, we wouldn't get it on the Monday, we would get it probably like Thursday. We get it Thursday, and Friday we have the push going down. You understand what I'm saying, guys? So the retests don't happen like instantly. Sometimes we get the retest and we just stay there for a couple of days or a couple of weeks, and that's why I'm a swing trader, because that consists of patience. All I need is just patience. It's just like what I'm gonna do for this week. I'm just gonna set my alarm right here. So let's show you guys. I set my alarm right there, so at this level right here. So see here, right at that level, round it off to 50. I set my alarm, and as long as price get into this area of interest, trading view will alert me, let me know, hey, price is at this level. Look at the chart to see if my entry signal is printing. You understand what I'm saying, guys? Entry signal is very simple. It's either a bearish engulfing, a evening star, or somewhat similar to show me that, hey, alright, sellers step into the market and there's a lot of selling aggression at this moment, so therefore price should have a dump and we're gonna have a massive sell-off. You understand? Said way for AUD CHF, same way for AUD CHF. We ain't looking for anything else but that, this shift of structure into our area of interest, because you can see we have our area of interest below our area of interest because price touches right here. So 1 2 3 4 5, 6, 7, 8, a couple of times. You can do a couple of time price touches. So after we get this breakout, after we get this breakout, it's not guaranteed we can have this straight push. We can have a retest back to right here, so, and we just can just take a couple of days to retest it, and then we'll have the final push going down to that level right there. So then we'll have retest again back to that level, then we'll have the push again. Sometimes it will happen like that, guys. And that's the three pairs I'm interested in. Again, AUD CHF sells, we already identified we were bearish last week, so if you haven't watched that video, you should definitely go back and watch that video. Also, Euro JPY, we identify we're bearish, we're sells. And what make this even more, this sells even more valid, is we're at the same area of interest as sell. This around September, I take this sells around September, and we're at the same area of interest that we were at in the past. So it's kind of guaranteed. Say, okay, price can have a rejection from this area of interest because we reject from it in the past. You understand? But it's not it's not that all the time, because sometimes we can have just strong selling pressure right here. So like this is strong selling pressure that we don't have the reject, the retest same time. We have the selling pressure and we just continue selling until some point. You can see like we have this massive seller from June, July, and we haven't came back and retest the level till October. You understand what I'm saying? And then we'll have this drop again, we'll have this retest, and then we'll have the next drop. So that is what I'm just anticipating. Next pair, USD CHF. Again we were bearish, now we bullish. The market change, everything changed, so we're just working with it. And you can see it's a pretty nice setup. It's a pretty nice setup. I'll be looking for is just get my alert set up right here, son. I'm just gonna work on right here, show you guys. Is just get my alert set up right here, so running off the zero, and that's all. Just wait till my alert can say one tap, two tap, three tap right here. So if we go in the past, we can see price tap it one more time, one more time, one more time, one more time. It's a pretty strong level that price reject. Each time we came right here, so we reject. Each time we came right here, so we reject. And the thing is, we were below the EMA. Also, if you look at the EMA, the EMA were also below. You understand? This right here, so we get a bearish engulfing right here. So this level, this, the EMA was above, but when you look at structures and look at the candlestick, we get a bearish engulfing right here, so breaking this last low right here. So that's why I told you I don't necessarily look at the EMA to tell me when to enter or when to get out of a trade. I just use it for added confluence. I use it for dynamic support and resistance zone, if that makes sense. So again, guys, we have a couple of videos coming out for you, so stay tuned. Make sure you leave a like to this video and drop your thoughts down in this comment section below, and see you next week.